আজি আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে লৈ আহিছো ষ্ট্ৰেংথ অফ মেটেৰিয়েলৰ কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যন যিবিলাক ষ্টেট সাৰ্ভিস কমিশনৰ AJ এক্সামত সুধিছিলে আৰু SSCৰ এক্সামবিলাকত সুধিছিলে সো আজিৰ ফাৰ্স্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে the process of tempering is applied to steel in hardening process for improving সো ষ্টিলত যেটো টেম্পাৰিং প্ৰসেস কৰা হয় হাৰ্ডেনিংৰ কাৰণে হেতু কি কাৰণে কৰা হয় অপশনস আছে ductility roughness strength all of the above so mainly tempering process to ki kora hoy material or ductility to bohua hoy so ductility improvement or karone steel of tempering kora hoy ba hardening process ot tempering hardening process ot ami tempering koru just because for improving the ductility option A to correct next question to so which one of the following features improves the fatigue strength of a metallic material so options ase increasing the temperature bahale fatigue strength to bahi jay neki next scratching the surface next is over stressing under stressing jetia ami material eta under stressing koru hetu time ot tar jetu fatigue strength hetu bahi jay that means ever stress diar pisot once we remove the load the process is known as under stressing or under stressing korile material or fatigue strength to you can say improve hoy bahi jay okay fatigue is nothing but gaining of the strength after removal of load okay so option D2 is correct under stressing next question to who say the property of a material by which it can be drawn into smaller section by application of tensor so yete options ase plasticity then we have elasticity we have ductility malleability so smaller section on ami jetia material eta smaller section ot le loi jabo paro that is nothing but malleability right option D okay next one the percentage of elongation of a test piece under tension indicates brittleness stiffness malleability and ductility so percentage of elongation of a test piece under tension so tension or jitu elongation hoy hetu ki hoy malleability no hoy right brittleness no hoy stiffness no hoy obviously ki hoy option D ductility next the property of a material by which it can be beaten or ruled in a plate is called so plate ole jodi loi jabo para that is nothing but you can say malleability option A next the property of a material by which it gets permanent deformation under a load which is not recovered after removal of the loads so jetia permanent deformation hoy tak ami ki bili ko plasticity option D aru jodi temporary deformation hoy tetia ami kom elasticity okay aru plasticity hoar karone ki hol material bilak kore brittleness nature to dekhai that means jibilak material directly bhangi jay okay that is called brittleness option D to yete correct hobo plasticity next creep ki hoy creep hoise continuous deformation with time under sustained loading like concrete oru ki creep hoy jetia concrete eta bohu dinoleke eta constant load e ek kori thake bohu time oleke then we can say creep of the concrete right so tar karone concrete ot kiba depression eta jodi ahi jay similarly creep of a material mane hoise continue deformation with time under sustained loading so bahut eta long duration le eta loading jodi provide kori thwa hoy tetia continued deformation dekhai that is called creep of a material next at yield point of a test piece the material so yield point dot material e kenuka deformation kore you can say undergoes plastic deformation okay etu eta permanent deformation next the phenomena of slow extension of a materials with increasing with time having constant load so etu koye goisilo creeping is the correct answer next in a tensile test when material is stressed beyond the elastic limit the tensile strength increase more quickly so jetia elastic limit to par kori die material to tar pisot tensile strength to bahut quickly bahi jay right because plastic nature le material to gusi okay next a material is said to be perfectly elastic ketia kom jetia it regains its original shape on removal of the load so option A to correct Next one, the property of a material by which it can be beaten or rolled into a plate So ইয়াৰ এনসাৰটো কি হ'ব লাগিছিলে মেলেবিলিটি হ'ব লাগিছিলে ইয়াতে কোনো অপচন নাই so none of that is next the ability of a material to absorb energy till the elastic limit is known as so absorb energy কৰা যেটো ফেনোমেনা বা যেটো এবিলিটি হেতুক আমি ৰিসাইলেন্স বুলি কওঁ ইয়াতে ৰিসাইলেন্সৰ কোনো অপচনছ নাই অপচন ডি টো হৈছে কাৰেক্ট নেক্সট মডুলাস অফ ৰিসাইলেন্সৰ ইউনিট টু হুদি আছে মডুলাস অফ ৰিসাইলেন্স ইজ নাথিং বাট স্ট্ৰেইন এনাৰ্জি যেতিয়া আমি ভলিউমে ডিভাইড কৰি দিওঁ সো স্ট্ৰেইন এনাৰ্জি ইউনিট টু কি হয় জুল ভলিউমৰ ইউনিট টু মিটাৰ কিউব অৰ মিলিমিটাৰ কিউব সো ইউনিট টু কি হৈ যাব জুলস পাৰ মিলিমিটাৰ কিউব ওকে next proof resilience ki hoy proof resilience is nothing but maximum energy stored at elastic limit of a material elastic limit eta material or hatot jiman to maximum energy thake that is called proof resilience option A to correct the property by which a metal resist impact load resist kora property to ki bili koy that is nothing but toughness option B to hoise correct answer next what is tenacity so tenacity ki hoy you can say it is ultimate strength in tension or karone jeto strength hoy option A to correct next strain energy stored in a member so strain energy is nothing but half into stress into strain into volume so volume or logot stress strain multiply kori jodi 0.5 or logot multiply kori dia then we will get strain energy aru strain density mane hoise strain energy divided by volume tetia volume term to gusi jabo that means a formula to option D to strain density kotha koise strain density aru option C to koise strain energy so ultimately option C to is a correct option okay so yar khetto jodi strain density hudile heten then correct answer will be D next one the modulus of toughness is the area of the stress strain diagram up to rupture point okay toughness sot ki kuntu point leke jay rupture point mane before breaking or you can say fracture point the work done per unit volume elongating body of a uniaxial force per unit volume mane volume e divide kori disu strain energy so ultimately half into stress into energy right option C next what is the unit of strain energy density strain energy density will be strain divided by volume right so strain or energy to joule or volume or energy to meter cube next if sigma and E so amak stress dia ase aru modulus of elasticity dia ase so resilience hodibo lage resilience olof agot ami formula to paisilu 0.5 into sigma into E into volume okay so etuk ami eneke likhibo paru half into sigma into E into volume right so yate he eketa formula ami sigma square 2 E into V bili likhibo paru okay so yate sigma square kiman hobo sigma yate value dia ase 10 so 10 ok square korile 100 okay 2 into E er value to amak dia ase 1 into 10 to the power 5 aru V er value to amak dia ase volume 2 into 10 to the power 5 so ultimately newton per mm ot 100 ahibo answer to option C the আমি formula to use korchu sigma square 2 E into volume this is the formula okay next a prismatic bar of 1 meter long 4 square meter cross section so length to dia ase 1 meter then amak dia ase area is 4 square meter tar pisote dia ase force P value to dia ase 80 kilonewton E value to dia ase 200 kilonewton per square mm now hodise strain energy mane ki half into P into delta value ami likhibo paru load into displacement okay so yate swa kiman hobo half P value to amak dia ase P value amak kiman dia ase 80 ako ami elongation mane janu PL by A that means half into 80 into P er value to ami ako put kori dibo paru 80 length or value to meter ase ami jodi mm ot likho 1000 right area to amak dia ase 4 square centimeter ami jodi mm ot likho 4 into 10 likhibo paru and 200 kilonewton per square meter ase ami 200 kilonewton per square meter te rakhi dilu so ultimately ekhini jodi koriswa 80/2 পাবা আলটিমেটলি 40 কিলোনিউটন mm আহি যাব অপশন এইটো হৈছে কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ সো সেইখিনি আছিল আজিৰ MCQ যদি ভিডিওটো চাই উপকৃত হোৱা বুলি ভাবিছে দেন চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব আৰু ভিডিওটো লাইক কৰি দিব সো থ্যাংক ইউ ফৰ ওয়াচিং